Hey guys, what's up? So I got a surprise for you. Watch the other video. It's Big Bird. Now, guess what? I got Yellowbird and Angry Bird Space. Oh, man, so Elizabeth has a case. If you watch YouTube, he has one button. He just has the button. Like he's kind of right, but he's still a little young to be in YouTube. And he has a laser, two eyebrows. He's kind of purple. When he makes sounds, he's big and black. Well, it's not yellow, it's black, and he makes sounds. And one more time. And here's another one. I'll show you. I show you last time. Picture clicks. But I don't really show you again. If you don't see it, try it again. Or I'll kill you. So if you have this, you're in luck. So bye, YouTubers. Let's see you later. Bye.